Hi everyone, I'm Katella, and today we're gonna make 3 different types of slime. This one's edible. This one's toothpaste. Oh, I'm gonna get it out of my hands. And this one's dish soap. So now, let's get started. Safety first! Start by putting some marshmallows in. Make sure you have enough to share. Yummy. Coconut oil. I'll just dump it in. Now we're gonna put it in the microwave. It's gonna get loud. I'm gonna take it out. Oops. Hot, 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 hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. I have just taken it out of the microwave. I'm gonna add my cornstarch. Oh, but also, when you just get it out of the microwave, it's hot. So let it sit before you play with it. Now we're gonna whip it up. See? I can see the steam. And then it should turn out like this. Well, I think it's ready. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. Hot, 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 hot. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. I'm gonna let it cool. Oh. Oh, and it's also edible. We're gonna make slime with some toothpaste. Right here. Now, it's gonna smell very toothpastey. We just took it out of the microwave, and it's now time to put the cornstarch in. And it should be like this when we're done. Smells like sit in. Mixy, 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 moo, mixy, moo, mixy, 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 moo. Oh, I was singing this hot, 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 hot. Woo, hot, hot. So it looks like this. Now it's time. If the toothpaste one is too sticky, then you want to put baby oil in. Now for the next one. So I'm gonna put 2 scoops of oh, and the amount of scoops that you put in, you can put in any amount, but I want 2. Has to be equal to both ingredients. Oh, and this one has dish soap. This time we're making the last one right here. To add some color to it. I'm gonna make it purple because it bothers me for it to be green. For color. It's gonna be better when it's herpes. And I'm gonna make it smell like sweet orange too. I'd say you should. Well. And now mine is gonna smell like sweet orange. And give it a sniff. Soapy. I didn't put enough smelly in it. please subscribe and give my video a big thumbs up. Literally.